Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this lamp taupe Christmas star. This is a star which is illuminated with a light emitted diode. So you can use it at the daytime as a really beautiful star, and at the nighttime you can see, yeah, that's light. With EU plug. Stars for hanging. 3D Christmas star. This is a paper star because it is made out of an origami style. Origami is Japanese art of paper folding. In modern usage, the word origami is often used as an inclusive term for all folding practices, regardless of their culture of origin. The goal is to transform a flat square sheet of paper into a finished sculpture through folding and sculpturing techniques. Modern origami practitioners generally discourage the use of cuts, glue, or making on the paper. Origami folders often use the Japanese word kirigami to refer to design which uses cuts. And here you can see this is origami style, of course, because we have a pre-installed origami art star, and we can now take care of it because you have to gently assemble it, really gently. Do not have some accident with the origami style, but you can handle this better than me, of course. And after you attach this two papers, and before you attach these two papers, you have to install the bulb, because there is a bulb. This paper star lantern comes with a 25-watt E14 LED comp lamp that saves 90% of energy, no flickering and no buzzing. We do not use with an halogen or incandescent lamps, as the bulbs may become too hot and the paper lantern may be burned. So take care, get an LED because it's already in it. 3D Christmas Stars Illuminated. The fascinating Christmas light as Christmas decoration inside the window, for example. The beautiful Christmas lamp made of paper is visually appealing. During the day, elegant Christmas star window jewelry. At night, a gently glowing star with the light. The Christmas star comes with 3000 K warm light. This is either for decorative Christmas windows, for example. And we have unique Christmas decoration here. This stunning 19.69 inches indoor lamp is perfect for decorating the windows, walls, or ceiling of the Christmas parties. With its magic glow and the fairy light, this shining star transforms any room into a festive wonderland. And it's an easy, maybe a little bit more difficult, easy installation process, but I'm not a professional in origami, of course, but you can handle this much better than me. With a 3.5 meter long cable and an EU plug, this foldable star lantern is easy to set up, of course. We simply unfold, we screw in the bulb and plug it in, job's done. We can hang them anywhere. It is environmentally friendly and reusable, of course. And warm and inviting atmosphere, because this paper star lamp emits a beautiful warm light and creates a cozy and a festive atmosphere for Christmas, for holidays, for the wedding or birthday parties. That's the perfect gift for friends and family too. And it makes a really cool look because origami is the hit, and the brand here brings this to a modern and nice looking illuminated, light emitted diode illuminated 50 centimeter paper star for hanging with a plug connection of it. This Christmas star is the hit, of course, indeed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.